Ready now?
Yeah.
See it here, Molly, and watch on a Dex Media. Modest set of quality them. Take a picture of them, you hear that? Yeah? This.
Yeah. This is the place that you should be.
This is
bar.
it.
This is it.
It's bar and restaurant.
What are you waiting for? Come and enlighten your taste buds and drink and feel good. Yeah.
Normally, we can even give you a listing.
Okay.
So this is the Hitz bar and restaurant where you can always, and I can promise you, the taste is not about what you see. It's about how it tastes.
Yeah.
It is to die for.
Okay.
Come, taste and see.
Yeah.
Because today we have the fried fish. And if you want it like that, you could get it, or you could get it cooked down in the coconut rundown. And that will serve with a little stewed veg, rice and peas. And up here we have like fried chicken. And you know, you get that. Early on we had stewed beef.
You don't know the song you can carpet coffee but it's next media.
Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, say your boy Dex Media. We're right here in Port Antonio. Yeah, and we have a very exciting vlog to cover off today. Yeah. So please guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. You don't want to miss this. So just stay tuned. Okay guys, so right now we are in Port Antonio. And this is before you reach Port Antonio. And they call this section Brian's Bay. So there's a sign over there. And that road over there lead you to back road that's in Brumbrook. So take a look at this, at the beautiful sea over there. See the sea over there? As you know, so I go on. It's a back road, as it lead you to Brumbrook Road. So but that's a show now I go and see him way. Because I need you guys. That's the sign right there, that's the Hitz bar restaurant. So we want to go over the Hitz bar and see what they have to offer over there. So stay tuned to the video guys. And stay tuned, like, share and subscribe. And remember to find Hitz bar if you're coming from Buff Bay direction. It is it's on the left hand side, right at the corner right here. When you pass, when you pass Sunshine Beach and come down a little bit, you're gonna see a bar over to the right hand side. And the opposite direction now, you're gonna see a little place that you can catch water. Yeah, people always stop right here and catch water and things. Drinking water. Yeah, close to the seaside. And right over there now you have the Hitz bar. So let's go over Hitz bar and see what's going on over Hitz bar. Oh, it's Hitz bar and restaurant. And then you see what I go on, the place is very, very big. You see it? Very, very big. So they have good parking spot and everything. And the ambience, the atmosphere is very good. It's very close to the beach. Port Antonio Beach. Yeah. See it right there, people? We're at the Hitz bar right now. Yeah, people, so this is the Hitz bar, as you can see. It's very big, and they sell every liquor that you need. Normally they keep events over here too, so if you want to keep a party, you can keep a party over here also. Because when you see what was going earlier, the surroundings and the space, yeah, it's come with a good space. You can park a car and everything, and have to park it on the road or not like that. Very, very big place. And as I told you earlier, it's close to the beach. But the beach is right over there. Yeah. Alright, so let's go in the bar and see see the people. Very, very spacious and thing. Very comfortable. Yeah, this is the Hitz bar. Alright people, so I'm gonna show you what I'm going. So this is the Hitz bar. You can get your lunch and everything over here. See there? Beautiful lunch. Fried chicken and rice and peas. Yeah. Alright guys, so them sell all of the top shelf liquor them. As you can see what I'm going. Sell the local liquor them too. Rum Campari and everything. Got the rum cream. Top shelf liquor, Ciroc. I think they have any too. I'm probably gonna put it out as now. But they have all of the liquor them that you need. So you can come right here and have a drink. Right here at Hitz bar. See the people? That's the NSA that I was talking about earlier. Yeah, they have NSA also. See the people, so I go on a little side view. I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah, very, very nice bar. As I told you earlier, the atmosphere is very good. Quiet, peaceful, and everything. You can come right here and have a drink. You can even bring out your lady for a date, bring out your husband for a date, bring out your wife for a date. That really matter. Come right here at the Hitz bar. And see it. If you wanna get some fresh breeze, you can come right here and have a drink. You feel nice, fresh, cool breeze. Right here, people. Right here at the Hitz bar. Yeah, people, and that's the bathroom. So if you need to use the restroom is right around the corner. They have a very nice restroom over here. So you have no issue if you need to use the restroom. Alright, so the restaurant is right next to the bar. The restaurant is right on the left hand side, right over the corner. So I'm gonna go at the restaurant now and see what they have at the restaurant. I know a lot of people out there might be interested in something to eat more than to drink. Everybody eats, but I'm not sure if everybody drink. Not everybody is a drinker. So guys, as I said earlier, this is the Hitz bar and this is the restaurant, and that's their phone number. And I'm gonna go inside the restaurant now and show you guys what's going on. First talk to the chef and find out from him what he prepare and all those stuffs. Yes sir, greetings.
Greetings.
So this is the Hitz bar, right?
Yes, it is.
This is the restaurant.
This is the restaurant bar.
So what do you prepare every day today over here?
Well, normally we can even give you a look, because today we have the fried fish. And if you want it like that, you could get it, or you could get it cooked down in the coconut rundown.
Okay.
And that will serve with a little veg, rice and peas.
Yes.
And up here we have like fried chicken. And you know, you get that. Early on we had stewed beef, and that's what leave out of it. and we have tripe and bean. So normally, like today, Friday, would have that which we just said. And if you have cooked water, then we have lobster, we have shrimp, we have conch. You can get, you know, just like what you ordered, then we can make sure that we'll prepare it for you.
Okay.
But for now, this is what we do. So on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the menu do change.
Okay.
So today, what you see today, you wouldn't get that same thing on a Monday. Only if you request it.
Okay.
So this is the Hitz bar and restaurant where you can always, and I can promise you, the taste is not about what you see. It's about how it tastes.
Yeah.
It is to die for.
Okay.
Come, taste, and see.
Yeah.
Blessing, brother.
Yes, sir.
Heart I love every time.
So why should people come at the Hitz bar to have a nice meal?
The good part about it is that normally when you go to place, the best part of anything is to dine. And when you come here, what we promise that we'll give you is good customer service, first and foremost. The next one is that we will enlighten your taste bud. Because every place can say them have a restaurant, but to have the taste that you want to come back to, that's what we will promise. That when you eat right here, you will like you're married to this place, because we know how to please your taste bud. Come and take a taste.
Alright.
Heart I love, brother. Blessings every time.
Yeah, guys, so as you see what we're going, the Hitz bar is a must. As you see what we're going, good bar. As you see what we're going earlier, and today is not such a busy day, or maybe the time is too early.
Too early, or the rain will fall.
Yeah, because normally people would have visited.
Block the place already.
Yeah, normally place full up and thing, and parking lot and thing.
Yes.
So.
Have the seaside where you can just go over there.
Yeah.
We have coconut where you can get that with your rum.
Yeah.
So we have everything here. We own a planting. We have a little vegetable farm around here. So most things where you get to eat here is where we produce. So come now.
Yeah. This is the place that you should be.
This is
bar.
it.
This is it.
It's bar and restaurant.
What are you waiting for? Come and enlighten your taste buds and drink and feel good. Yeah, Dex Media. Yeah, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend about Hitz bar and restaurant. Yeah, yours truly, Dex Media.
Ready now?
Yeah.
See it here, Malid and watching a Dex Media. Modest set of quality them. Take a picture them, you hear that? Yeah? V6 bonnet to all.
Alright, guys.
Stop, they leave.
So this is a wrap. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, guys, it's right when you pass Sunshine Beach, going down the little bit, before you reach to Brambrook Back Road. They call this location Brian's Bay. So forward, it's a must, people. Get the food, the liquor, the ambience, the atmosphere. It's a must, guys. It's a must. From me recommend it, you know say good. But you know say me not recommend no way. You know say good, people, and me show you too. And as me telling you earlier, they even host events over here. So if you wanna keep a party, a birthday party or whatever, they rent the venue. So forward, people. See it in the phone number right here and everything. Bus stop sign.